Hello. So today's topic is key features and objectives of GeM. There are 8 topics in key features and objectives of GeM, and each topic have 2 points: transparency, efficiency, cost effectiveness, ease of use, inclusivity, variety of products and services, payment integration, monitoring and analytics. First, transparency. In transparency, there are 2 points. First point, GeM ensures that procurement processes are transparent by providing a single unified platform for all government buyers and sellers. Second point, all transactions and their details are recorded and can be audited, reducing the scope for corruption. Second is efficiency. First point, the platform simplifies the procurement process through automation and digital tools, which helps in reducing the time and effort required for procurement. Second point, GeM allows for direct purchase, bidding, and reverse auction process, making it versatile and efficient. Third is cost effectiveness. First point, by providing a wide range of suppliers and products, GeM encourages competitive pricing, which helps in cost savings for the government. Second point, the platform eliminates the need for middlemen, which can further reduce costs. Fourth is ease of use. First point, GeM is designed to be user-friendly, with a simple interface that can be easily navigated by both buyers and sellers. Second point, the registration process is straightforward, enabling quick onboarding for new users. Fifth, inclusivity. First point, GeM promotes the participation of small and medium enterprises, startups, and even individuals in government procurement. Second point, it aims to provide equal opportunities to all suppliers, regardless of their size or geographic location. Sixth is variety of products and services. First point, the marketplace offers a diverse range of goods and services, from office supplies and electronics to professional services and consultancy. Second point, it is continuously expanding its catalog to meet the varied needs of government departments. Seventh is payment integration. First point, GeM integrates various payment methods to facilitate smooth transactions. Second point, it ensures timely payments to suppliers, which is crucial for maintaining healthy supplier relationships. Eighth is monitoring and analytics. First point, the platform offers tools for monitoring procurement activities and analyzing data to help in decision-making. Second point, it provides insights into spending patterns, supplier performance, and other critical metrics. Subscribe to our channel. If you're new to the tendering process and want the opportunity to win government contracts, please reach out to our official team for more information. We're here to help. Thanks for watching.